So hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're gonna be covering the HTML elements and the HTML basics. So we are not gonna waste the time, we are gonna just begin. So first what we have to do is obviously create a new file. So there are two types to create a file. So first you have to go here, create a new file, but there's another type, control N. There'll be an automatic file created down here. So if you control save it, so this should pop up, and you have to remove it and name whatever you want. I'm gonna remove the caps because it's sensitive. Dot htm oh no html. So why index.html? Because index is the best thing to keep one file if you name it. So what happens here is, so if you name it index.html, so I'm just gonna use this file in the future and now to show you all the scripts and all the stuff. So I'm gonna name it index.html. You can name it whatever you want, but index.html is the perfect name for HTML. What do you call HTML file? So I'm gonna just control save it, and now what do you have to do? So if you saw my video last time, I showed you a tag called HTML boilerplate. So I think I showed you guys how this works too. Yeah, I showed you. So for to use the boilerplate, you have to just press Control plus space. So as you could see, when you press Control plus space, you could get a HTML boilerplate, and this is gonna be created. So now what we have to do is remove this stuff because we don't need it for now. So we're gonna enter it. So middle comes. So first the basic tag is h1 tag. This h1 tag represents the what we call h1 tag element represents a section of heading. Yeah, this is a heading tag or header tag, what do you want to say. So there are 6 header tags here. So you'll be thinking, why 6 header tags? Because we have an HTML 6 header tags. So we're going to remove it 6 and 5. So as you could hello, what I was doing. Uh, so for now, what you have to do is, so in my last video, I did show you guys another what we call the extension called the what we call it browser preview. Yeah, browser preview. Here we go. So in this browser preview, I think I showed you guys what we have to do. So you should be thinking, no, what we have to do? No, what we have to do? So you can't see what is going on in your website. So first what you have to do is, first you have to come to your this page, and there will be a new element should pop up here, browser preview. You have to just click it, close this one, adjust to your size. I want this much because my code is more important, so I have to remove this link. And yesterday in my video I did show you guys another what we called this one, yeah, new extension called live server. So I'm gonna show you how to enable it and how it works. So just you have to come to the page here and right click on the page. So there are so many options. You have to come down, and there will be an option called open with live server. Press on it, wait a few seconds, your browser will open up. Just copy this link, remove this one, and open this, and boom. So now it's gonna work. So you should be guys should be thinking, what does this do? What does it do? But what does it do is, so if someone know little bit HTML of the starter, So you should be knowing first you have to control save it and you have to reload the page. But here you have to not do that. You have to just control save it, automatically it does the reloading for you. So first, before you do this, you have to title your page. That's important here. So I'm gonna name it as what is this file name? Index. Bubble index. Okay, okay. Index. So when I'm done, so we have the error tag. You could go down those, but those are not gonna work. So the next tag is the p tag. So the how does the p tag works is it's a paragraph tag. So paragraph tag means you could write like a big sentences here. My name is big sentences. Something here. For now, something I wrote, and if you just control save it, it's gonna pop up here. So yep. So some guys will be thinking, wait, Prithvi, I have to align it like this. And you're gonna do this G and G and try to align it. But when you control save it, it's gonna come in a line, and there also it's gonna come in a line. So you should be thinking how to stop this. So nothing you have to do. Just write another that tag called not p pre tag. In the pre-tag, you could do anything you want here. Literally anything. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, here I have to stop using this. And then. So if you control save it, as you could see, what did I do? That's gonna align here. But as you could see, this is going there. So first you have to remove it, then control save it. So then it's in the perfect line. So now let's go to some style stuff. To style this. So there are some style tags. So if you wanna make this in italic, you have to do this called this tag. So when you do something, as you could see, it's gonna come in italic. And another tag is called em tag. It's also the same tag, but it works little tiny bit differently. So it's the same, but as you guys know, but this name is different. Em tag and I tag are the same. So another tag is B tag. The B tag element represents and bold text. So if you wanna yeah, I'm gonna text bold something here and control save it. So this text is gonna come in bold. And there's another tag like this called strong tag. So when the same thing that when this also do the same thing, but the different way this time. If you control save it, it does the same thing, but the name are different. So now we have another tags here. I think last two tags. Yep, last two tags. Yeah. So whoa. Okay, another two tags are sub tag, and another one is sub tag. Subtag. So if you go here, they're gonna show you the sub element represents a subscript, and the sub element represents a superscript. So if you are not understanding what I'm telling you guys, H2O. If I control save it, so if you see, it's gonna come down. So if you're a scientist and need a this one website, so first what you have to do is to write HEO. You have to do this and make a sub tag inside here, and two, and go here and write oh, and save it. So I made a H2O. So what does the soup tag do, Prithvi? So this does, I'm gonna name it super SRICP. I'm gonna name it super text. Now I'm gonna remove this and name it sub text, probably. Yep, subtext. If I control save it, as you can see, the sub tag comes down and the super tag goes up the sub tag. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you enjoyed and learned something new, please hit the like button and subscribe and comment down below. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.